Hello everyone, I am Ushma Thakkar Ganatra, a nutritionist and a fitness trainer. Today in my video I am going to talk about PCOS, polycystic ovaries syndrome. It is very common these days and it is an endocrine disorder seen in women of reproductive age of around 20s to 40s. So basically it is enlarged ovaries with small cysts on the outer edges of it. It creates a hormonal imbalance in your body. There are few symptoms through which you can know if you have a PCOS, that is irregular menstrual periods. Some people get heavy periods too, then acne, and the most common is conceiving problem for females who are trying to get pregnant. They might have some issues during that. The reason causing PCOS is still unknown, but there are factors like genetics or lifestyle factors or climatic factors which are considered to be the reason of developing PCOS in females. There is increased androgens and insulin resistance in the women who suffer from PCOS. So in this video, I am going to share what you can eat and what you should not eat when you are diagnosed with PCOS. So first of all, you have to cut down sugar from your meal. As I said, it's an increased insulin resistance in women who suffer from PCOS. So sugar intake can be very harmful for them. So sugar like chocolates, pastries, sweets, gur, honey or soft drinks, you have to cut down all these. Apart from sugar, maida is also harmful for your body. So maida in the form of bread, pizza bread, burgers, biscuits, any form of maida is harmful for your body. Then starchy products like potato or rice, you should avoid them also. You can switch to semi brown rice or red rice, then the white rice. And plus you should avoid caffeine like coffee intake, टी, अल्कोहल, ये सब भी आपको थोड़ा सा कम करना चाहिए. What you can eat in the PCOS is protein rich food. So eat more of paneer, soya, chickpeas, sprouts, rajma or all the dals which we have. And if you are eating non-veg, then eggs, chicken, fish, these all are very beneficial for your health during PCOS. Also, you can add fiber rich foods like oats or more vegetables like carrots, beetroot, broccoli, and oils like olive oil, rice bran oil. These all are very healthy. Apart from these, add more nuts and seeds to your diet like almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. These are all very healthy foods. And you can add more green leafy vegetables to your diet. Have it in the form of soup or have it as a salad, anything, but should eat these. Also, one must have a physical activity daily for 30 to 40 minutes. It can be a Zumba, yoga, a functional training, or even just a simple walk for 45 minutes will do a great job for your body. So do it consistently and regularly. It's not that one day you do and then you skip for 2-3 days and again you start. No, you have to be consistent and regular for your exercise and your workout regime, at least for 5 days in a week. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Since the PCOS problem is not completely curable, I would recommend you all to take care about your food diets and food habits and have a regular exercise.